Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Muhammad Asnan. Welcome back to another video. So in our today's video, we are going to explore a very simple but very important topic. So, have you ever wondered that why do we sleep? Why do we feel sleepy? Or what is the importance of sleeping in our life? And this is our today's topic. Today we are going to find out that what is the importance of sleeping and why do we feel sleepy. So, sleeping is something which many people ignore in their daily life. They do not pay attention towards their sleeping routine just because they don't understand how important this is. So, sleeping is one of the things which our body needs to stay healthy. It is not just because we feel tired so we sleep, but it is essential for our body to stay healthy and work properly. Basically, when we sleep, our body repairs itself. Let me tell you how. Our muscles rest, our heart gets a rest, and when we sleep, our immune system gets stronger, and the immune system needs to get stronger to fight different kinds of illness. Not only this, but sleep is also very important for our brain. How? So when we sleep, our brain helps us process different things. It stores memories and information, which makes us learn better. So we have an example for this. Students who sleep on time, who sleep better, they often get higher marks just because their brain gets rest. Their brain processes faster because it has get enough sleep. Similarly, those students who don't sleep on time or their sleeping routine is not good, they often have weak concentration on studies because their brain doesn't get any rest and it is not able to process or store different things. Now let's go towards the negative side. What happens when we don't sleep? What does the lack of sleep causes? So the lack of sleep causes many major problems. For example, it makes us feel tired, angry or stressed. But most importantly, lack of sleep makes us unable to stay focused. Not only mental health, but not sleeping can also affect our physical health negatively. For example, it increases the risk of sickness or illness. So if we see around us, teenagers need at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep daily. But due to studies or phones, they aren't able to sleep on time and get the efficient time for sleeping. Sleeping habits and maintaining them are very important. To improve the quality of our sleep, we can do small things. For example, sleep on the same time every night. For example, make a routine and sleep on the same time without any variations in bedtime. Secondly, avoid the use of mobile phones before sleep. This makes sleep more restful and calming, and also the place where we sleep should be calm and without any noises. Now in conclusion, as many of us think that sleeping is just a waste of time and people sleep because they are lazy or they get tired, but in reality sleeping is really important to keep our body healthy and make it function properly, and most importantly our brain to make it process quickly. So the next time when you think of or you see someone sleeping too late, don't forget to remind them that sleeping helps our body heal, our brain grow and our mind stay strong. I hope so that you find this video quick, informative and important. If you did so, then don't forget to like it, subscribe and channel so that you can get further interesting videos, and also share this video with your family and friends to spread awareness about this topic. Thanks for watching.